Good morning, my name is Rafał. I am the owner of Mr. Wallpaper Company, specializing in wallpaper installation. With Dekorami, we'll demonstrate the installation of wallpaper on a fold using the technique known as double cut.
Installation using the double cut technique requires preparations similar to those for edge-to-edge installation. In the first step, we check the wall preparation for wallpaper. The surface should be unpainted, even smooth, without defects, and corners finished with acrylic. In the next step, before proceeding with the installation, we need to check the wallpaper. The wallpaper package includes an installation plan which specifies the dimensions of the printed wallpaper along with extra allowance. Usually, an additional 10 centimeters is added to the width and height of the wall. We measure the wall and check if the dimensions match. The dimensions of the received wallpaper and each panel are listed on the installation plan. Then, we check the pattern alignment. We unroll the roll, roll up each strip separately, and number them on the back. Next, we check the pattern match on subsequent panels, placing one on top of the other on a 3 cm section of the technical overlap. The technical overlap is added during the printing process. These are 3 centimeters of the repeated graphic from the adjacent strip. If everything matches, we proceed with the installation. We start by marking a vertical line on the wall and measure the width of the first panel. The marked segment outside the last 3 centimeters area is coated with glue using a roller. The remaining 3 centimeters, the joining area, is coated with glue using a brush only after installing the second strip. We apply the first panel to the wall, smooth it out, expelling any air bubbles, then trim the edges and cut out openings for cables or sockets. Then we measure the next panel and, as before, apply glue to the wall. We apply the second panel, aligning the pattern. At the pattern matching area, we have 2 layers of wallpaper with the same pattern. Using a knife, or preferably a specialized knife with a stop and a ruler, we cut through both layers of wallpaper, thus creating a perfect joint between the 2 panels. There is still a lack of glue at the joint. We gently open the edges of the wallpaper and carefully apply glue to the wall, regulating the amount of glue so that it does not spill onto the wallpaper surface. We press the wallpaper against the wall and smooth it out. In the same way, we install subsequent panels. As a result, we achieve a spectacular effect of large format graphics without visible joints. In this implementation, we installed the Otula pattern from the Dekorami collection. This and other beautiful patterns can be found on the website dekorami.pl.